Looking to disable restricted mode on YouTube? Well, today we'll walk you through turning off restricted mode on both the desktop site and the mobile app. Open youtube.com on your web browser and log into your account. Click on your profile icon at the top right and from the menu, choose restricted mode. Toggle off the switch labeled active restricted mode. This will disable restricted mode from your account on this browser. Note that the settings is specific to this device, so you'll need to repeat these steps on other device if necessary. Now moving to the mobile app, open the YouTube app on your device and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on the settings icon at the top right. Select General. Toggle off the switch for restricted mode. Like on the desktop site, this change applies only to the current device. That's all it takes to disable restricted mode on both the YouTube desktop site and mobile app. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel for more.